Postline.ai is a brand new AI software that's making waves in the digital marketing world. And today, we're going to break down the 7 crucial things you need to know about it. If you're looking for cutting-edge tools to level up your marketing strategy, Postline.ai could be exactly what you've been searching for. Stick around to the end because I'll also tell you how you can try it for free and why it might be the next big thing in your marketing toolkit. First up, Postline.ai is designed to help businesses supercharge their content creation process. What makes it stand out from other AI tools is its ability to analyze your audience and tailor content accordingly. This means you're not just generating random content, but highly personalized, engaging posts that resonate with your target demographic. If you're in digital marketing, you'll know just how crucial it is to connect with the right people. Next, the software integrates seamlessly with your social media platforms, automatically scheduling and publishing posts at the optimal time. This is huge because it saves you hours of manual work and ensures you're posting when your audience is most active. No more guessing, Postline.ai does the hard work for you, giving you more time to focus on other aspects of your business. Another game changer is the powerful AI-driven analytics feature. Postline.ai doesn't just churn out content, it tracks how your posts perform, providing you with deep insights into what's working and what's not. Whether you're looking to boost engagement, drive traffic, or increase conversions, this software gives you the data you need to make informed decisions. Plus, the intuitive dashboard makes it easy to understand even if you're not a data expert. What's more, Postline.ai allows for team collaboration, making it a great option for businesses that need to streamline workflows. You can invite your team members, assign roles, and ensure that everyone is on the same page when it comes to content creation and publishing. This is ideal for agencies or anyone running a team-driven marketing campaign. But that's not all. The software also helps you with SEO by generating content that's optimized for search engines. From keyword suggestions to fully optimized blog posts, Postline.ai ensures that your content not only engages your audience, but ranks well in search results. This gives your content a double boost, reaching a wider audience and improving your organic traffic. Another major benefit of Postline.ai is its adaptability. Whether you're a small business owner or a large enterprise, this software scales with your needs. Its flexible pricing structure allows you to start small and grow as your business does, making it a great option for companies of all sizes. Finally, Postline.ai is constantly evolving. The team behind it is dedicated to making updates and improvements, which means you'll always have access to the latest features and technology. Staying ahead of the competition is crucial in digital marketing, and with Postline.ai, you'll always be on the cutting edge. To wrap it up, if you're looking for an AI software that can save you time, boost your content's performance, and optimize your marketing efforts, Postline.ai might just be the tool you need. Don't forget, you can try it completely free by clicking the first link below. I've tested hundreds of AI tools, and after trying Postline.ai, I've added it to my list of top recommendations. For more reviews on AI software and other digital marketing tools, check out the description below. Happy marketing!